Well, we're here again at Britt's Wicked Manor to look at their amazing display. But first, I wanted to show off their neighbor's amazing yard. If that person over here would turn off their headlights, I would love it. But as always, amazing job on every inch of this. And they have a brand new facade they have made for 2025. Ooh, well, see, the Hitchhiking Ghost got a new home this year, so I am excited to see this. This is so nice. Not that everything isn't already fabulous, but it's so nice. I love the vacuform panels with the creepy crypt. I love it. Oh, they got the pecking ravens. Oh, I love it. But this facade is absolutely amazing. Just fabulous. Fabuloso. Can't wait until the weather is slightly better so we can put ours up. Gorgeous. Amazing. I love how gross the windows are. That must have been fun. Splattering them and aging everything. Spookifying it.
I don't know.
In the graveyard. Massive graveyard. Looks wonderful. I do like that the pillars over here are off center. That looks very good.
Oh, there he is.
It's very unusual.
Yeah, unfortunately it's a little bit too lit here, but oh, okay, they're finally moving on. I don't know what they said.
Okay, that makes me feel better. I really wanted to see what was in the thing.
Okay, now that those headlights are gone, you can get a better view of how this one's lit. Very nice. I like the tombstones. I like all of those flame type of lights back there. It looks really good. I'm sorry, I gotta get another shot of this. I love it so much. I don't think the big guy's operational as of yet. I like the walls too, though. Those are so nice. I'm sorry, grave caretaker. Are we disturbing you? Where's your ducky? I do believe this is lit every night, ready for your pleasure. Come on down to Canyon Country Court in South Reno. Must see. And we'll see you soon.